welcome back. So before we move on, I just want to talk about finding project files. Now, I do a lot of code throughout each lecture, and if you want to keep track of those or maybe have some sort of working reference of what's going on, then I highly recommend that you go and check out the GitHub repository that I created for all the content of this course. Now, if you don't know what Git is or how to use it, don't worry. I'm going to show an alternative to that in just a second using this platform. But pretty much this is going to contain all the history of every single lecture. Now, if you know how to use Git, you can download this and check out each state. But if you don't know, then all you have to do is head over to the main page. And right here under commits, it's pretty much going to show every single lecture change. So for example, I have 7 to 8 item alignment. So I can click on it. And when I click on this, it shows all of the changes I have made to both files or any files that I've changed. So for example, you can see here, it has one changed file, and you can see I've added a bunch of stuff here, so you can kind of review what I've done over the lecture. So you can just go ahead and check it out. I've attached this to the lecture resources if you want to go and look at it now. This does contain all of the history, all of the things that I've done over the course, so you can go review, maybe look at the code, and you can also download it. You can download the actual file or the repository from here, so you can just download that very easily. And other than that, you can find all of the project files on here if you ever need them. So if you want to, maybe bookmark this or keep this somewhere on a notepad, just to make sure that you have a reference of it throughout the course in case you ever want to go and review the contents or changes of some lecture, you will have it there. All right, let's move on.